Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here at Getting Spooled. Today I'm on the road to Whistler. I got up first thing in the morning. It's probably around like 6:30 now. I'm pretty close there. I'm like maybe 5-10 minutes out. I got some pretty cool things planned here for the next couple of days. I'm up here. I got Buddy, he invited me out to come out here. He's a guide up here and I'm really thankful for that, for him to offer me a trip out here. Hopefully get on some nice fish. Apparently it's doing well lately. But I'm gonna take you guys through this whole journey with me and this whole trip through the lens of this camera and my GoPro. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, we just made it into our spot. Just look at that. Look where we're fishing. That's absolutely just stunning. Mountains, clean, crystal clear water. We're fishing at a creek mouth. Just having a blast. You know, our first spot, I missed a couple fish. We're at our second spot now, and hopefully it's gonna be good. Again, I honestly can't get it enough looking at these mountains. Like, it's honestly crazy. I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna get back fishing. Hopefully we can hook at some fish. And hope you guys are enjoying the video and stay tuned for more.
Alright, man. Let's change our luck, bro.
Let's go get them. Let line out so it drifts.
Yeah, but start off short, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah, getting tight.
Yeah. Strip in, strip, pause, strip, pause.
Okay.
Perfect.
Ah, shite.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right after that strip.
Yeah.
Oh man. Frick.
Yeah, let that one strip.
Right after that pop too, eh?
Yeah, they like to move.
Yeah. Classic upside down.
Yeah, no, man, it works, right?
Yeah.
Boom, he just chills out. He doesn't do anything.
It's fish. Can't beat the view either, eh? Look at that. Crazy.
It's gorgeous here, man.
I gotta learn to land one now. Right off that drop off on the strip. Oh man. Ripped the line out of my hands. Yeah. It's a pretty decent sized streamer too. Oh, if I lose this thing, I'm gonna just freak. If I lose this thing, I'm gonna just lose it. Oh, that was so sick! Like right off the ledge. I was just gonna pull up and bring it in.
They do that a lot of the time, so it's just a shelf, right?
Oh, that was unreal.
You got a good fight, man.
Oh yeah.
This thing might have some size to it, man.
Yeah. Man, they fight hard here. Jeez.
We got a good wild population of bulls.
Yeah.
That's it. One more time.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's awesome.
It's a nice chunky one, man.
Oh yeah. That was so hooked, just popped out too.
That's it. That's why we like it.
Right on. All right, well, I got my first bull trout of the day here. Missed a few fish on the indicator, decided to switch up to the streamer, just right off that ledge of that creek mouth. Nice fish there. Just beautiful, put up a really good fight. We're gonna let her go. Oh, there he goes, that is awesome. First fish here in Whistler on this lake. I'm excited. Let's go get some more. Well, we're done with this spot. See you later. Off to the next. Hooked up right off that slick there. Right off the drop off there. Free weight's getting corked. She's dogging me. Look at the scenery though. Doesn't get much better. Oh, she's peeling, getting spooled.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, man, but I'm sure you've heard that
Oh,
so many times.
so many times, man.
You just mucked it up. Up, 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 up.
There he is.
Nice.
There he is. That's a beauty. Beautiful colors on him. Nice fish. Beauty. Right on, man.
Big.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Get another one. Hopefully it's turning on.
I'm hoping so, man. That sun
Last spot of the day here.
That's it.
And then the sun even gone even.
Yeah,
The sun hasn't even gone like below the mountain.
So far?
Well, I'm deleting footage from my GoPro because it's honestly like full. And this guy hooks up right beside me. Matt's on one.
I told.
That looks like a beauty. And Marcus is oh! He's off. Okay, I gotta get back. Sorry, Marcus. Can't talk. Fishing. On. That was the weirdest take, man.
Okay.
I thought I was in the whirlpool.
He's big.
I thought for sure I was in that whirlpool.
Yeah, I told you.
My bob was just like, my indicator went just so slow down. That was crazy.
Fight like, they don't fight until they like.
Whoa, I thought I lost them there. Yeah. Oh, hook just popped out just like that. Right on. That's the start stop.
I got you. You're rolling.
Okay. Well, nice bully there. Beautiful fish.
That's it. Extended arms, making it look bigger.
Oh yeah.
I've taught you well, Dawson. And the release.
Wait till she's ready to go. Slowly off to the deeps where he came. Yes! The sun's going down. Should go behind the mountains. Hopefully the bite turns on. Here we go. It's big. It's nice.
Okay. Tell me when you need the net.
Oh man.
Yeah, he's decent.
The screamer. He's a hot fish though, eh? Yeah. Woo! Solid fish. He was hot. Oh, yeah. For some solid runs there.
I'm gonna try.
Like, gone. That's alright. Oh. Yeah, he's gone. Had one shot, it's alright. Alright, we're back at the truck here. Had a great day fly fishing for bull trout. And Matt got a couple rainbows. Yeah, he got a few rainbows. And again, just big thanks to him for taking me out from Whistler year-round fishing. Had an unbelievable time. And if you want to have as much fun as I did out here, check down below. I'll leave all his stuff in the description below. All the links, hit him up. He'll take you out. Be a good time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned tomorrow. We're going out again.